welcome back to the next module, that is Linux Group Management. So what is Linux Group Management? So there is a user group and which is divided into two groups, that is a primary group and a secondary group. So what is a primary group? The group that is listed in a group membership field for user in /etc/password is called a primary group. So here an example is given. You can see that for John, as it is a part of primary group with a group ID. As you can see, his group ID is 1000. So that is John. So the primary group name is same as the login name. So you can understand this is a primary group where the group membership field will be always for a user will always be in /etc/password. So this is about a primary group. And then vice versa for the secondary group, the group that a user is a member of, but which the membership is not defined in /etc/password file. So here the user is with a group, but the membership is not defined with /etc/password file. So this group will be as called as secondary group. So this is the difference between a primary and secondary group. The basic difference is here the group membership will be included in the /etc/password, while here in secondary it won't be included. This is all about the user group. Now the /etc/group file. So what is this? The /etc/group file is a simple and flat ASCII text file. So it stores the information about a local group. On the right hand side, you can see that there are different fields. These are separated by the colon. So first field is group name. And what is the purpose of that field? It contains the name assigned to that group. The second field is group-password. X. So X in this field indicates that the shadow passwords are used. So here the X indicates where the shadow passwords are used. The ongoing current today's new passwords are being used. So GID. GID contains the group number, contains the group's GID's number as we know. And the last field is username list. So list of the users that are the members of the group. So it contains the username, like the list of the users that are the members of that group. So these are different fields in the /etc/group file, and that can be viewed with a file text editor vi /etc/group. So these are the 4 different fields, and here you can see group name, group password, GID, and the username list. So as in /etc/password, there were 7 different fields. Here there are 4 different fields for the /etc/group file. So this is all about the /etc/group file. Now comes the basic group operation. So what are group operations? What commands we can use? So for creating a group training, we can create a group training by commanding group add training. So this is a command that will create a group training. The second is create a group with GID this. So for creating a group with this GID, we give group add -g 6001, that is the GID required, and Red Hat. So this is a distribution of your Linux, you can name it. And the next is add user John to the secondary group training. Now for secondary group training, you need a user to be added. So what is the command? The command is user mode -G training John. So here John is added to the secondary group. To change the primary group of this user to admin using user mode. So when you need to change the primary group of this user to the admin, so then what command we use is user mode -g admin John. So here admin, the primary group will be changed to admin. After that, if we used to create a user Aditi with -g to add a primary group and -G to add a supplementary group. So we want both a primary group as well as a supplementary group. So what we do is the command use is user add -g admin -g training Red Hat Aditi. So this will create a user Aditi with -G to add a primary group. A primary group is added, and then -G for a supplementary group. So this is how the basic group operation commands are being used. So let's stop over here and continue for the next module.